Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics Academy. Now in this class, we are going to solve 5.10 and 5.11. Let's enjoy the class. Okay. Five point 10. That is the 10th problem from 5th lesson. A magnetic needle free to rotate in a vertical plane parallel to the magnetic meridian has its north tip pointing down 22 degree with the horizontal. The horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is 0.35 Gauss. Determine the magnitude of Earth's magnetic field at that point. Okay. So how we can calculate? That is H equal to R into cos del. Okay. Then R equal to H by cos del. Then R equal to H. So that is H, the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. That is 0.35 divided by cos del. So what is the value of cos del? So is 22 degree. That is cos 22 degree. Okay. Now, what is the value of cos 22? That is R equal to 0.35 divided by cos 22. That is 0.9272. So when you are multiplying and dividing, then we can get 0.38 Gauss. That is the Earth's magnetic field at that place. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. At a certain location in Africa, a campus points 12 degree west of the geographic north. So what is GN? That is geographic north. The north tip of the magnetic needle of the dip circle placed in the plane. The magnetic meridian is 60 degree. Above the horizontal magnetic field of 0.16 Gauss. Then what is the magnetic field at that point? So the same formula, that is the magnetic field, that is equal to R into cos del. Then R equal to H by cos del. Then H. So what is the value of H? That is 0.16. So 0.16 divided by cos del. So cos 60 degree. So what is the angle? 60 degree. So what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. So 0.16 divided by 1 by 2. So the 1 by 2 becomes a reciprocal. So it becomes R equal to 0.16 into 2. So when you are multiplying, then you can get 0.32. This much of magnetic field and its unit is Gauss. So just to see that both of the cases we are having the magnetic field in the unit of Gauss. So to convert the Gauss into Tesla, so it is multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. So now Gauss is converted into Tesla. So now here you can go. So 0.38 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts.